Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 20. Oh, there's 5 days till Christmas. How did this happen? All right, well, tonight we're going last minute Christmas shopping. But before I start getting ready, I just want to start off the vlog by saying every time I have a pamper night, the next day I feel amazing, and I don't know why I don't do it more often. Also, that is my first time trying that tea, and that tea put George and I straight to sleep. It's almost noon, but look how gloomy it is outside. It's gloomy and cold outside, and as much as I want to go to bed, I really need to get ready. I already had my coffee and my croissant, just like yesterday. That's just been my go-to lately.
What is up, everybody? It is Vlogmas day number 20. Yes. And what we're gonna do today? Well, I just got out of work. I just got ready. I look really good. I smell really good.
Oh, he looks good and he smells good? What?
And I'm waiting for my wife so we can go get... my wife's birthday present, but she's not gonna go with me into the store. She doesn't know what stores I'm gonna go to, so she doesn't know what I'm gonna get her.
What are you whispering about?
So if y'all think that she's picking out her Christmas presents, y'all are wrong. Yeah, so I'm ready to go. It's 7:09 and she's not ready to go.
I wouldn't be running behind if I didn't have to cook you dinner. Yeah.
But you could have been ready before dinner, or you could have get ready whenever I was eating my dinner.
Who do we have to shop for today?
Well, my parents.
Okay, it's your parents, so we're going to Sephora, and then what else? That's all we're coming for?
Yeah, maybe.
Are you shopping for my presents?
No. Are you shopping for my presents?
No, yours are done. Well, almost done. I could be done if like Christmas was tomorrow. I feel pretty good.
Yeah?
But I just want to get you more.
I feel terrible. I have not gotten anything.
I know. Because you hate me.
No.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. I have been paying attention to the things and little hints that she's been giving me about what she wants for Christmas. So, what I was telling you guys earlier, I think I messed up. Dang, man. Like, I'm 100% confident that she wants to see these certain things. Right now, so far, I got one thing, and I got something else that she might like, I hope. There's one thing, it's not there anymore. It's gone. Sold out yesterday. And, dang, maybe I can get it online. Maybe it'll come in time. I don't know. I'm kind of worried. So now I gotta hurry up to another store before they close. See, stores are closing, and get another thing that I know she likes, and hopefully salvage Christmas. Bro, literally, I don't know how the rush that I just had right now. So got these in the store, looking for perfume for my mom, and I just so happened to have to go close to where she is, and I went in, I got the thing, I bought it, and went out, and she did not notice me, and now she's calling me. I guess she's waiting for me. Whew. All right. Okay, so I just came to the car to drop off the stuff that I got her, and guess what? She has the keys. Why? What am I gonna do? I have to meet her to see if I approve for the perfume she got my mom and my dad. What am I gonna do? Can't let her see these bags.
Hey.
FaceTime with me.
Huh?
FaceTime with me. Oh.
It smells really nice.
Yeah? Okay.
Like it smells like kind of something my dad would wear.
Yeah. Okay. And for my mom?
And then I'm thinking like original throwback Chanel number 5 for your
Girl. Ooh, girl. Get it. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
With your face.
Hi.
Oh, I like your mohawk.
So you approve?
Yes, I approve. Good job.
Okay, where do we meet up after here?
And over here by the paint gallery. Okay, so every year I get her a couple of basic things along with like 2 or 3 big presents, okay? The basic things, I have one of them right now. And actually, probably passed for a big present because it wasn't a basic price. And then I got 2 things that I know she wants for sure. There's one more thing that I know she wants for sure that I've been wanting to get her. Actually, there's 2 more things, but one of those I was trying to get right now, and there was none anywhere. They sold out. So I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna order it online, but what if it doesn't come in time? Who cares if it's not under the tree before Christmas? What we did was we met at a pillar. She hid behind the pillar with her eyes closed, and I grabbed the keys from her, and I kept looking back to make sure that she didn't look. That way it can stay a secret. Oh, where'd she go? Are we not done? Did she go back? Where's she at? Maybe I have to go back and get her from the pillar? There she is.
You want to start?
Yeah. Oh, this is it.
That's not the ordering place. Thanks. Can you move up, sir?
Yes, ma'am. With pleasure.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. Give me just 1 second. I'll be right with you.
All right. Irish cream cold brew venti, a toasted white mocha frappuccino.
All right, 11:37. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to go walk over there
Yeah, me too.
with those. I just got in my email. I'ma open it.
If you open it, I will take them back, and you will not get Christmas presents.
Guys, should I open it? Should I
No.
open it? It's
No.
my receipt
No.
from Nordstrom stores. So what if I go to my Sephora app? huh?
Don't.
Let's see. I know
Don't.
you went there. Look.
Don't. Stop.
¿Qué quieres ir allá o qué? Target, baby. Target, baby. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to serenade you with my lovely Target song. We just got home and we have more progress. So I'm gonna end my night by wrapping 2 more of George's presents.
I'm in my garage, and I need a box. One of the presents that I got here's a box. It's huge, too big. So I'm going to cut it and make a box. I'm smart enough. I know how to make boxes. I can do this. Yes?
What are you doing?
I am making a box for your present.
Are you serious?
Yes, out of the big box. Perfect.
I'm kind of impressed. What?
Perfect.
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family, have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV, wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer. He'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town. I'm not one of them, the 3 wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who you are. If you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times, how they did it then, back in Bethlehem.
So that's all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like down below, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
On my door,